Hello, my name is Aaron, and welcome to the Mindfulness of Breathing Guided Meditation Part 1. We will be practicing mindfulness of breathing via Asanga's method. The intention here is to cultivate and develop deeper and deeper relaxation while maintaining clarity of awareness. If you have not yet watched the first few videos and practiced the settling body, speech, and mind in their natural state guided meditation, I would suggest reviewing those videos and practices first. If you are ready to continue, then sit in a chair or in the cross-legged position. You may meditate with your eyes open, hooded, or closed as you wish. We will meditate together from chime to chime. Begin by settling body, speech, and mind in their natural state. Allow awareness to fill the space of the body like a light in a room. Allow awareness to descend to the floor where your body meets the cushion or the surface on which you sit. Understand that this sensation is beyond conceptualization. There are no words that can accurately describe this feeling or sensation. Just be present with it. Allow your experience of it to be equally non-conceptual. Be present, but do not try to label it as this or that. From that ground, allow awareness to fill the rest of the body. Be totally present with all bodily sensations. Once again, do not label them or attach a word or thought to them. From this basis of stillness and silence, begin to relax the body. On each effortless exhale, release any tightness or tension from the body. Do not try to control the breath. Allow the body to breathe the breath and allow the breath to settle into its natural rhythm. Release all thoughts of the future or the past. Release all concerns. There's nowhere you need to be, and there's nothing else you need to do. Relax and settle into stillness, silence, and spaciousness. From this place of stillness, silence, and spaciousness, be present non-conceptually with the tactile sensations of the body. Notice the range of sensations from hot to cold, tingling, or anything else. Be present with these sensations. Narrow your focus to the sensations that correspond with the breath. This could be the rising and falling of the abdomen, or even tactile sensations of moving energy in any other part of the body. There could be tingling in the arms or legs. There could be sensations in the back or the chest. Be sure that you are not visualizing the body. Just be present with the sensations. And once again, do not try to label them as this or that. Do not try to call them anything, conceptualize them in any way, or attach any thought to them. These are now your object of attention. Settle awareness upon them. Finally, use the oscillations of the breath to increase the clarity of awareness and to develop deeper and deeper relaxation. On each effortless inhale, Increase the focus of awareness. Allow awareness to become more clear and sharp. On each effortless exhale, release and relax deeper and deeper. If any thoughts, memories, or emotions pull away the mind from the object of attention, which are the tactile sensations corresponding to the breath throughout the body. When you release on the exhale, release the mind's grasp on those distractions and return awareness to the object of attention. Meditate in this way until you hear the next chime.